There is a critical link between carbohydrate intake, body fat content, and blood concentrations of the hormone insulin. Some carbohydrates are necessary, and insulin is required for many physiological functions. However, if carbohydrate intake goes unchecked, particularly in regard to high sugar and high starch foods, insulin concentrations in the blood can become chronically elevated, which leads to increased fat gain and decreased fat loss. Carbohydrates are not evil, but as a general rule, very high dietary carbohydrate intake and high blood insulin concentrations frequently hinder body composition progress, which is why some people looking to achieve high levels of leanness, such as physique competitors, must dramatically limit their dietary carbohydrate, which can cause the body to effectively shift into fat burning mode. This can lead to rapid body fat loss and high levels of leanness. When following a very low carbohydrate diet, carbohydrates should only make up to 10 to 15% of your daily calorie intake, and all of it should come from fresh vegetable sources such as spinach, broccoli, green beans, asparagus, zucchini, cauliflower, peppers, and carrots. Protein should make up between 30 to 35% of your daily calorie intake, and all of it should come from whole food sources. Finally, fats should make up 55 to 60% of your daily calorie intake, with a fairly even mixture of saturated, monounsaturated, and polyunsaturated fats.